Better not bring a tool to take those off. Son of a bitch. Oh wait, no, I got one. Nice. Okay.
So we're over here with John and stuff. About to pull this box apart. He was playing it the other day and on his way home, and it smoked up his amp. So no amp up here right now. So we pulled the seats out. That way, it'll be easy to get to the box. We gotta take about 8 layers off of MDF. So let's get to it. Hopefully, we'll get a little bit louder.
A little bit louder?
Just a little bit. So.
When they see me off in traffic, they say Jeezy on some other shit. Send them pussy niggas running straight back to the dealership. Me, I'm in my spaceship, that's right, I want Vanessa. This 7H is not a fraud. Call that bitch my bodyguard. Call that bitch a bodyguard. Yeah, that's my bodyguard.
Very slow process. We'll get her done.
Damn glue on here. I don't know. It's coming off in pieces. All these pieces.
Nothing a vacuum won't fix. We're gonna keep hammering. Try to make some more progress. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, I got the old crossfires in here. Shiny voice clothes. But here's the inside of the box. And that's what they look like. What do you think, John?
Oh, it's getting there. Hope you guys are ready for some just ridiculousness going on here. Yeah, so I think we're gonna pretty much completely redo this whole enclosure. We're gonna do. I'll let a little cat out of the bag. Let's just say we're gonna do. Yep. So that's a little bit. So just kind of think about it. Yeah.
I'll try to get this braced up. It's got a sunroof. So.
The second. So
Yeah.
it has to be done probably by then or before. So I'm trying to get this thing going for you guys for the Surf City show. So we can give some demos.
There's some demos out.
I'll try to be some full song demos too. So not just like no 10-second shit. So yep.
We'll make it out there, and then I'll try to get my hatch done. I should have my hatch done. It shouldn't be too much work, but mainly right now I'm really excited about going 16 volts. So hopefully that'll happen. Waiting on the alternators. Mike Singer has them right now, so it should be done here pretty soon, and then make a bracket and buy the lithium battery and see what it'll do with the wall. So we'll get back with you guys. We got this even more tore down. So it's about 3 o'clock right now. We finished up doing well, I finished up doing what came out here to do. Gotta go back to work. It's about an hour and a half drive, so as you can see, got it pretty much taken apart. Don't know what John plans on doing, but I think we're gonna pull it all the way apart. What do you think, John?
Yeah, we're gonna take it all down and we're gonna redo her all fresh and stuff. So
yeah, this box has been used for how long?
I don't know, this is about 2 years old, but
It's 2 years old with like 4 or 5 different builds on the same shell. So as you can see up here, it's just getting old. So
it's all coming apart and stuff, and it can only take so much, I guess. Taking it apart and putting it back together.
and so hopefully we'll get all brand new wood in here and make sure everything's nice and fresh, and see what's to come. Check out the crossfires.
Oh,
I just got them over here chilling. So yeah, Surf City, what is it, September 3rd and 4th, so we'll be out there.
yep.
Hopefully with something playing in both our cars.
And if not, then I'll be there still.
Yeah, I'll be there still even if my system's not playing. So see you guys soon.